Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. You might be saying, what is this? Gorgeous, you're welcome. So today I will be working with this unit from Atina Hair. It's from straight to coil. This unit is 13 by 6 lace front human hair, wet and wavy virgin Brazilian wig. So this hair is 2-in-1, straight to coily, wet and wavy. Okay, you can wet it, you can coil it, you can leave it straight, straighten it. That is the purpose of this wig. Is 2-in-1. Instead of you just getting one wig only for coiling, you buy this one you can change it to straight, and you can as well coil it if you want. So I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. It's a little bit dry, but I think maybe by the time I apply cream, it's going to soft a little. No shedding. It doesn't have any bad smell. The knots of the wig is already bleached. You can see you don't need to bleach it. And it's 13 by 6. This is it on my skin. Then the front of it is pre-plucked already with baby hairs. Came with some combs at the back and by the side as well, and an adjustable strap. So guys, this is it on. I'm just going to cut the excess lace. I want to take the hair backward because I want this hair very flat, so flat. So I'm going to take the hair backward like this. I'm going to tie it down before cutting the excess lace from it.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all lies.
Okay, this is the little amount that came out. Still going to trim this as well.
I'll be your light.
I'm going to lay down my wig using styling gel. Okay, let me zoom.
I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall.
To lay down my wig, I'm only applying the styling gel at the edge of it. I don't apply much.
And you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light.
So now I'm going to tie it down.
If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
So now I want to lose my scarf from it. I did not wait for long. I just hope this is okay. That's some baby hair.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no it's no more. We're done now, no it's no more. We're done now, no it's no more. We're done now, no it's no more, no, no. We're done now, no it's no more. We're done now, no it's no more. We're done now, no it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no it's no more, no. We're done now, no it's no more. We're done now, no it's no more. We're done now, no it's no more, no, no. We're done now, no it's no more. We're done now, no
can see I put it sideways. Can you see it? So I want to try to coil it. Let me see. Backward. So I'll wet it to see. I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten since. So guys, that is it. I want to try to wet it to see if it's going to coil. Let me try a little part to see if this hair is going to coil. I just want to try a little part. So guys, look at the magic. I went ahead to wet this other side. You see, it's coily. And look at this side, straight. You can see this side is straight. My hair is wet because I went to use water. I was adding my coily cream. It wasn't picking the coils, so I went ahead to go and wet it. Immediately I wet it and this happened. You see this? So this is the magic of this hair. You can see this side is straight while this side is coily. You can see this because I did not wet this side of it, and I wet this side. The water is just dropping all over. Look at it. That is. See this magic. 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 Wow, that is, you can as well, when it's dry, you can straighten it back to your, if you want it straight, you can straighten it back, because this wig is in two ways. You can wear it is either coily or straight. So if you want it coil, you wet it and the coils will come out like this. Then if you want it straight, just straighten it, dry it and straighten it, and you will get this result back. So that is it. I hope you like this video. I'm going to leave the link to this wig on the description box, so if you're interested, you can check that out. The water is just dripping all over me.